Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to share two types of chicken chap recipe. Chicken marination preparation. Onion 1/4 piece. Ginger 1/2 piece. Garlic cloves 8 pieces. Green chili 1. Make a smooth paste. Ginger, garlic, onion, and chili paste made earlier. Mustard paste 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 1.5 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Garam masala 1/2 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Yogurt 1/2 cup. Lemon juice 2 tablespoon. Mix very well. Done? Leave aside. Chicken thigh 10 pieces. Follow the steps. Mix well. Mustard oil 1/3 cup. Mix. Rest for 2 hours. Garam flour 1 cup. Chili powder and salt. Mix. After 2 hours. Marinate chicken coat with garam flour mixture. Oil for fry. Place the chicken in a pan one by one. Fry 10 minutes on medium-high heat both sides. Flip. Done. Half a fried chicken cut into bite size. Butter 1 tablespoon. More oil. Onion 1 cup. Saute few seconds. Chopped green chili. Leftover marination. Cook 2 minutes. Add fried chicken. Mix. If If you want, you can add ketchup, chili sauce as well. Coriander leaf 1 tablespoon. Mix. Almost done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.